The following tutorial shows the method of master reset for LG Velvet. In the first step, turn off the mobile by holding the power button for a couple of seconds. To enter into the recovery mode, start pushing volume down plus power keys for a few seconds. When you see the LG logo, release the power key and keep the volume down and hold the power key again. After this, let go of all held keys when factory data reset shows up. Then select Yes by using the volume keys to scroll down and choose Yes with the power key.